Next tonight, parents fighting to continue life support treatment for their critically ill baby girl have been given a ray of hope. A hospital in Italy has stepped in to say they can take her and treat her, but it all hinges on a decision by the High Court.
Medical experts at the Queen's Medical Centre in Nottingham say to move 8-month-old Indi Gregory would not be in her best interest. They won a previous legal case to limit treatment, and her parents have been unable to overturn that decision, not at the appeal court nor at the European Court of Human Rights. But the family from Ilkeston in Derbyshire are determined to fight on. Alison Mackenzie reports.
Since her birth in February, baby Indi has been in paediatric intensive care at Nottingham's Queen's Medical Centre. She has a rare genetic condition called mitochondrial disease, for which there is no cure. It saps energy from the body's cells. Her father, representing the family from Ilkeston, lost a challenge against the QMC, who had argued that to continue life support treatment would only cause Indi more pain and was futile. But now a paediatric hospital in Rome is offering a heart treatment to Indi they say would end her need for intensive care and would prolong her life. The QMC are now challenging that in the High Court. They say there's no proper plan set up for Indi's safe transfer and that it would not be in her best interests.
I'm just hoping that the judge will do the best decision for Indi, which is obviously to go to Italy, to have treatments so she can have a better quality of life. Because if she don't go to Italy, then she could potentially pass away, which is the worst case scenario, and we don't want that. I'm fully confident she'll make it over there pretty easily. She's stable at the minute. She's been better than she has in the past 8 weeks. And for her to go to hospice or home to pass away, going to Italy for treatment is obviously a no-brainer.
The judge has considered both sides of the argument. All will now depend on his decision. We'll find out that tomorrow morning.
Well, Alison joins us now from London, where the decision is expected in the morning. Alison, just explain to us why this case is back in the courts.
Yes, it does seem a very long saga, doesn't it? It's all to do with what's best for Indi, her safety and her well-being. Now, if the family wanted to simply take her away, they'd have to do that in an ambulance, and the ambulance needs a risk assessment. Is it safe to take her from the QMC to the airport, then to Italy? But of course, the QMC are resisting it, saying it's not a proper plan to go to Italy. They say they'll challenge that again in the courts. It's back before the same judge. So it's all about what's happening next, and the judge, we know, has already said that he's in favour of the QMC limiting the behaviour, withdrawing it so she could then be transferred to a hospice to pass away.
So Alison, what is open to the family if the decision goes against them?
Well, they will consider an appeal against the decision of the judge. That would demand certain grounds to be met. You don't get it automatically. But they were saying today in our interview with the father that he says surely the judge will now see the right way. It will only be a 3-hour trip in an airplane or a helicopter to Rome. Can they not be supported for that time? He says it would rule in their favour. But of course, he's looked at all the medical evidence, and the QMC, the trust there in Nottingham, not commenting until tomorrow, they say now, are very much of the view that the best for Indi is to withdraw treatment slowly here and pass to hospice, not travel away.
Alison, for now, thank you.